Numbers are given in user form. These are numbers in user form, and we are going to convert it in general form. What is the general form? General form, which means factor form. I just look here. To convert it in general form, it is already in user form. It is in user form. So to convert it in general form, it is written. So here first is this two is at tens place. That's why tens place 10. 2 multiple 10 would be 20. Then next addition. Next is 5. 5 is ones. So ones, which means 5 multiple 1 would be 1. This is in form of general. Okay, 20 plus 5. Like that. 20 plus 5. Here this would be how much? 2 multiple 10. Like that. Clear? Similar here. Similar here. What? 7. 7 is at the tens. That's why 3 is. One second. Hold on. 7 multiple 10. At tens. Because 7 is at the tens. And then 3 is at ones. That's why we multiply the ones number which is at ones place with 1 number. Okay. Now this is 20 and this is 3. When we will add this, then this will become 23. 23 is our ratio. So this is in general form. Similar here. Similar here. 1 is at 100 place. 1 is at 100 place. That's why 1 will be multiplied by 100. And again 2 is at 10 place. 2 multiple 10. Then 9 is 1's place. 100 plus 20 plus 9. After adding this together, will become 129. Next, this is 3. 3 is at 100 place. That's why it is multiplied by 100. Next, 0 multiple 10. 2 multiple 1. This will become 302. Okay. This is answer. This is answer. This is answer. This is answer. Okay. Now we will take some general numbers which will be in general form, and we will be converting general form in usual general form number in usual form. So here these are in general forms and these are in usual form. Just have a look. Next. Okay, here these are in general forms because of these are separate. Okay. Here 10,000. Okay. This is 10. Yes. And 6. It will become 56. This is in usual form. And Kishnu was saying that converter numbers which are in general form into usual form. This is in usual form. Next, 100 multiple a will become 100a plus 10 multiple c, 10c plus b. Area, this is answer. This is in usual form. In usual form. Usual numbers which are in usual form cannot be done anything further in further steps. Ahead of this, okay, these simple numbers are in usual form. Next. Look at this. 100 multiple 100 7 times. 100 times 7 will be 700. 10 plus 8. It will become how much? 780. 780. Okay. 780. Look at this. We can see these numbers were in usual form. And Keshav was saying that these numbers are in usual forms convert into general form. Now here, these numbers are in general form, and when we converted it into usual form. Now next, till here you are clear. Now next, reversing the digit. Reversing the digit, which means meaning of reversing the digit, just reverse the digit of a number. This is number digit. 6 is a digit, 9 is a digit. Here 9 is a digit, 6 is a digit, 7 is a digit. 6, 4, 3, 1. Each number is a digit. Okay. Here 6 is a digit, and it is saying that reverse it. Reverse. Then it will become, from here we will start 6, 9. Now it has written, it was written by reversing. Here, from here, 9, then 6, then 7. Are you understanding? Now, here, from here we will start from ones. This we will start 6, 4, 3, 0, 1, like that. Clear? Now, next, main part. We are coming on main part of this lecture. This was nothing. This was a little information to play with the numbers. Test for disability. tests of divisibility. Part 2. Part 2. Now look at here. Of 2. Divisibility of 2 by 2 by 2. 2. You have a given number, let's say 64. You have two given numbers. This is one, and second is one. Uh, 3, 9. 3, 9. Okay. From here, we will understand divisibility by 2. We are trying to understand that there is a given number. Now, can we identify that this given number will be divisible by 2? For example, this is can 2 cut this is 64. This number will be divisible by 2. This number will be divisible by 2. So how to identify? How to identify? What to investigate? Just you have to observe what digit which is at once. One digit which is at once. In the case of divisible by 2. In the case of this. So just first digit which is at once. This. And now you think that the 2 4 4 comes in table of 2. Yeah, that's why it is this whole number is divisible by 2. Already you know. Already you know. You can say yes. But here again you will what you will see here one digit which is at once. Now 9 is coming in the table of 2. No, no, it's impossible. That's why this whole number is not divisible by 2. That this is how we identify that some that number is divisible by 2. Number is not divisible by 2. That is okay. If first digit which is at once is divisible by 2, then whole number which is given will be divisible by 2. Clear? Now, here, more, okay. 3, 6, 9, 2. Otherwise, how much? 8. Clear? We don't need to think that this whole number will be divisible by 2. No. First step is to observe first digit which is at one's place. This is it is at one's place. Now, if it is divisible by 2, then whole number will be divisible by 2. Yeah, 8 comes in the table of 2. That's why this whole number is divisible by 2. Clear? By 2. Even you can check by using division method. What if 4, 6, 7, 2, 1, 9, 1? Someone asks you that tell this whole number is divisible by 2 or no? You would say no. And again, person asks you that how you would say you would say in front of person that I am saying this is not divisible by 2. Even you can check. Even you can see by using division method. And you can tell your method that here first digit is not divisible by 2. One doesn't come in the table of 2. That's why this whole number is not divisible by 2. Okay. So we don't need to think that whole number is divisible by 2. Just first step is to see that the first digit which is at once is divisible by 2 or not. If yes, then whole number will be divisible by 2. Otherwise, if no, then whole number will not be divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Next, divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Yeah. Okay. In the case of divisibility by 3, will happen what? We have a given number. We have a given number. Okay. 6 4. Now, can you tell that 6 4 whole number is divisible by 2? You will use division method. But by without using division method, it can be told that a given number is divisible by 3 or not. Oh, 64. This is 64. Okay, 64. In the case of divisibility by 3, person needed to observe that whole number, sum of a whole number, sum of all digit of a whole number is divisible by 3, then whole number will be divisible by 3. Here, you need to listen very carefully what sum of two digit number of this number is divisible by 3, then one number will be divisible by 3. Clear? Here, 4 plus 6 becomes how much? 10. 10. Now, 10 doesn't come in the table of 3, that's why this is not divisible by 3. Now, here, 9, 3 becomes 12. 12 comes in the table of 3. That's why this is divisible by 3. Here there are two digits. What if 6, 7, 2, 3, 4 digits? Then just we need to do sum of all digits of this number. 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 12, and 12 and 6, 18. 18. Now 80 comes in the table of 3. That's why this is divisible by 3. By 3. Because of sum of each digit of this number is divisible by 3, that's why this whole number is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. What if 6 digits, 8 digits, which is a number, this. Can it be told that this number is divisible by? What will be now rules? Rules say that just add all each digits of a given number and then say sum up after summing up after doing sum up of all each digits is divisible by 3 or not. So 3, 12, 12 and 2. 12 and 2. How much? 14, 14, 21. 21 till here is 21 and here 9. 9 and it is 30. So it comes in the table of 3. That's why 3 times 30. That's why this is divisible by, it is divisible by 3. Even we can check how. If you want certification, then you can see 3, 6, 7, 2, 9, 2, 1. 1, 6, then 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, again 9, 3, 3 is 9, and 3, 7. Yeah, that is very crystal clear that if sum of each digits is divisible by 3, then whole number will be divisible by 3. It was rule 4, 3, 4, 3. Now we have some questions based on this. What? First question 18657. Second is 96745. Third is 263705. Okay, this is question. Now we have this question. And the question is saying that check this given one number is divisible by 3. So we know what is the root of it. 7, 5, 12, 12, 6, 18, 18 and 8. 18 and 8, 26, 26 and 1, 27. 27. No. 27. 3 nines are 27. Yeah. 27. Yes. It is a divisible. How? Even we can check. How? Here. We are saying that it is not divisible by 3. I am saying. Now we are going to check that is it correct or not. Is it divisible? This one number is divisible by 3 or not? This is 1. Okay. 3. 3 6. 2 5. Then 3 3 9. Yeah. You can see. Again for this. For this. 8 5 13. 8 5 13. 17. 17 24 24 30 39. 39. Even now, you can see if this is a big number, then again sum of two digits. This is two digits to each other. 9 3 12. Now 12 comes in the table of 3. That's why it is divisible by. That's why it is divisible by 3. Yes. For this 5 12 12 3 15 15 6 21 21 to 23. 23 doesn't come in the table of 3. Okay? In the table of 3. You can see this is how uh, a number can be checked that the whole number is divisible by 3 or not. Next question is something different. Next question. This is question. And look at this question. Look at this question. It is saying that find all possible values of x. If a value of x in place of x is something and is divisible by 3, then that is 1. Okay, that number is, that digit is 1. So on 4 digits should be 4 digit. So 4 digits are what in place of x, which this one number will become will be divisible by 3. So 7, 5, 4, let's say start from 0, 0 will become how much? How much? You don't know? Here. This is how much? 7540. Here 5, 4, 5, 4, how much? 9, 9, 7, 16. Doesn't. No. This is not. Next. 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. 17. How much? 17. No. Again 1. How much? Again 2. 18? Yes. 7, 5, 4, 2. How much? 2, 4, 6, 6, 5, 11, 18. 18 comes in the table of 3. That's why this is. So here 1. 1 digit is what? Or 2. And like that 4 digit. How much? 4 digit. 4 digits. Here number should be those numbers which will be visible by 3. Now here we put 2 and this whole number is divisible by 3. That's why 2 is 1 digit. 2 is 1 from those digits which will be divisible by 3. Again how much? 3 will become 19. Then 10. No, 4, 4 will become 20. No, 5. 5. So here 7, 5, 4, 5. Okay. 4, 5, 9, 9, 5, 14, 14 and 7 will become 21. Yes. Here 5. Second digit is 5. Similar, similar. 6, 22, 7, 23, 8, 24. 8, 24. So here 8 is third digit. 24. Here sum up of each digit of this whole number is how much? 24. Yeah, 24. 12 and 9. 12 and 9. This is 8. This is 8. 12 and 12. 20. One more. One more. 9. 25. 10. 10. 10. How much? 9, 25, 10, 26, 10, 11, 27, and 12, 28. 27. 27. So how much? 9, 10, 11. 11. How much? 11. 11, 1. 11, 4, 15. Yeah, 11. Clear? This is answer. This is answer. You can say how did it came. But 11 is not a digit. It is number. 11 is number. In 11, 1 is a digit. Digits. Next question. I read this question. Question is saying that find all possible values of y. Y is an unknown, and what will be number? What will be a digit in place of y, from which this one number will be divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Also find each such number. Okay. How much? 3, 9. Rule of 3 is 4, even 9. Okay. 5, 1, y. We will start from 0, 0, 3. Now 3, 1. 3, 1, how much? 3, 1, 4. 4, 5. 4, 5. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. So yes, yes. Even we can check 5, 1, 3. 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are how much? 54. 9 5s are okay. 6, 3, and 9 7s. So here rules which is rules of 3 is 4 also 9, but condition is one number should not be less than 9. Okay, you can see this is the result. So first result is 0. First result is 0. 0. Okay, 5 1 0 3. This is first number. Next, how much? 1. 1. Then it will become 10. It will become 10. 2 2 11. 2 11, and 3 12, 3 3 9 9, 3 3 6 6, and 6 12, and what 9 2 is 18. 9 2 is 18. 9 2 is 18. No, 3 will not come. No. Then how much? If not 3, then what? 4. 3 3 6 12. No. 4 4, then 30, 5, 14, 6, 15, 7, 16, 8, 17, 9, 8. 9. How much? 9. 9 3 12, 12 6 18. Yes. 5 1 9 3. So next is 9. 9 is it. That's it. That's it. Even we can check. 5 6 9 and 6 again 7. Yeah. This is a division by 3. Till here is answer. Till here is answer. Now next. Remember what? Divisibility by 9. What will be changes for 9? Uh, it says that rules of 3 is for 9, but condition is each digits of a given number should not be less than 18. Should not be less than 18. That's it. Okay. Should not be less than 9. Okay. Clear? So sum of each digits of a given number should not be less than 9. That's it. Less than 9. 9. This is the difference between uh, nothing is a difference. This is just a warning. This is a condition for 9. 9 divisibility. Okay, now next. Divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. divisibility by 5. It says that uh, uh, each only digit number which is at 1 should be 0 or 5. Then whole number will be divisible by 5. So one digit which is at one's place, which is at one's place, one digit which is at one's place. Clear? One digit which is at one's place is how much? Is 0 or 5. Then will be what? Divisible. Then will be divisible by 5. Then whole number. Then given whole number will be divisible by 5. Condition is what? Digit which is at one's place should be 0 or 5. Then given whole number will be divisible by 5. For example, for instance, let's say 6, 5, 9, 6, 0. Okay, this is a whole number. Now, only we need to observe but one digit which is at one's place. This is 0. That's why this whole number is divisible by 5. Even we can check. For certification, I am here checking this. Clear? 5 3s are 50. 9 again. 5 1 4 6 9 1 0 2. Yeah. This is completely divisible by 5. Again, more examples for this. Let's say 9 0 no, this is one number from here to here. Only we need to observe this first digit which is at one's place is how much? 5. If here is 0, then this whole number will be divisible by 5. If here is a 5, then again it is divisible by 5. This is the rule of divisibility by 5. Yeah, this is divisible by 5. Clear? Got it? Whatever you have numbers, but if in place of ones is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Clear? Same 10. Divisibility by 10. What's the difference? This both will look similar, but one's the difference. A little tiny difference. What? If a whole number, let's say 6 7 5. Okay. This is not a divisible. This number, one number will not be divisible by 5 because this is 9. Here is not 0 or no 5. No. Here it says that if a whole number, so each first digit which is at once of a whole number is only 0. This is 0. So 0, if 0 is at one's place, will be divisible by 10 as well as by 5. But here is a 5. then this whole number is divisible by 5, but this whole number is not divisible by 10. It explains that if uh, mm, ones place number which is at ones place is 0, then this whole number will be divisible by 0. Okay, so now it is divisible by 0. Even you can check it. This is the difference between 5 and 10. Now divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. Here is 4. Now for this 7625. Okay, this is one number. It explains that two digits of a number is divisible by together is divisible by 4, then whole number will be divisible by 4. Here two digits, this two digits, ones and tens. 25 doesn't come, 25 doesn't come in the table of 4, that's why, and this whole number is not divisible by 4. What if here is a 4 instead of a 5? Now 24, not 246, is not like that. Okay, 24 will become 6 after adding this, but it is saying that only two digits you need to observe together. Two digits is 24. Now 24, does it come in the table of 4? Yes, that's why 24 is a divisible by 4. 4 6 is 24. That's why this whole number is divisible by 4. So two digits together is divisible by 4, then whole number, given whole number will be divisible by 4. This was divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. Clear? Now let's take some questions based on this. First question is, these are numbers. Here, you know, we have to check that each numbers is divisible by 4. How to check? Just these are two numbers, 9 to 2. 4 to z, 1 to 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. Yeah, this is divisible by. Okay, this is divisible by 4. This one, because these two digits together is divisible by 4 by 23. That's why this whole number is divisible by. Here 28. 4 7 is 28. That's why, yes. Again, this is divisible by. Here 74. 4 again 3. Here how much? This is not divisible by. No. Okay, because This 24 is not divisible by 4. That's why this whole number is not divisible by 4. Now next. Divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. It says that 3 digits. How much? 3 digits. 3 digits together is divisible by 8, then whole number will be divisible by 8. Let's take some numbers and see. Okay. In order to check, how to check? Just 3 digits. Look, this is 3 digits. How much? 104. And then here you need to divide this number by 8. 8, 1, 2, 4. 8 3 is yes. This is divisible by how much? 8. Here we are going to check it. Is it divisible by 8? 49104 by what? By 8. 1 8. How much? 3. Okay, 0. 6 4. Yes, this is divisible by 4. Just we need to observe these 3 digits is a divisible together is a divisible by 8. Then what is it? Will be divisible by 8. 312. 312 is a divisible by 8. Let's see. How much? 7. 2. Yes. Yes. Again, yes. Next. 8. How much? 8, but this is 3 digits. 2, 1, 8. 8 is a 16. How much? 5. 8. 56. I said 2. No, this is not divisible by 2. Clear? That's all. Now 36. Tell me, this whole number is divisible by 4. If not, then no. This is yes. This is divisible by 4. So this is divisible by 8. Of course, no. If a number which is divisible by 8, which is divisible by 8, a number which is divisible by 8 will be divisible by 4. Okay, will be divisible by 4. But a number which is divisible by 4 is not compulsory that the number will be divisible by 8. Here you can say this number is divisible by 4 but not by 8. Here 4, 8, 4, 8, 3, 2. Okay, 4, 8, 3, 2. Here, what? This 2 digits is divisible by 4. What can you say here? 3 digits. If 3 digits is divisible by 8, then we can say that 2 digit is divisible by 8, 3, 2. How much? 8. So here, yes, this is divisible by 8, 4. So here, this whole number is divisible by 8. So that's here we are looking that the 2 digits are divisible by 4.